it's Orgill. Do a little better video of it in the daytime. At least I'll try. Hold. Wait. I'm really trying. It's pretty big. And we'll circle through. Get a nice little video of it. Let me show you something here away from the warehouse. I don't know what they're doing here beyond the fence, but they are modernizing it. It looks almost like it's like a water rain thing for flooding, you know, because you get rain on this concrete, you're going to have a lot of flooding. And that's what I think it's for. It's just a, what do you call it? It's a reservoir. A reservoir. But that's what I think it's for. Water runoff down there. But that's all new. That got built with the warehouse. But that's definitely what it is, because part of it is not even a quarter way filled. But that's what it's for, especially when the snow melts around here. One hell of a warehouse, though. Like I said, I'm doing 6 miles an hour right now, and it's probably going to take me about 8 to 10 minutes to get all the way around this warehouse. Won't be able to do this when the trucks start coming in, so I'm doing it now. It's not like I'm harming anything, but let me show you here. As you can see, it's quite a drop-off. I don't know if you can really see it through the fence, but it's one hell of a drop-off right here. And I don't know who put the fence in, but whoever did probably was really happy to do so. Unless they had multiple fence companies do it, but I doubt it. I think it was just one company. But that is a really... That is a major steep drop off right there. Okay, let's get back to the warehouse. But you can get an idea of how big it is. And so you get some nice sunset sunrises with this warehouse. Alright, let's continue. I'm going to be a little bumpy. I'm holding the camera. But, I'm trying to think. I'm probably about, 150 feet from the warehouse. It's higher than a Walmart superstore. And it's about, I'd say it's about 3 times as wide as a Walmart Supercenter. This thing is massive. Even the Romans would be impressed that we could build something so big. And no, we are not using alien reverse engineering to do it, people. So don't even bring that shit into this video. Quitely amazing. Hopefully I can get a job here sweeping up the snow. I mean, let me show you, folks. Imagine clearing all the snow from all that. If it gives me a steady paycheck, I will do it with a shovel for Orgill. That's no joke. So if Orgill, you're watching this video, hire me and I'll clear all this snow out with a shovel faster than a truck with a plow. That's a guarantee. If you don't really like the results, well, you can move me on the toilets or something. Somebody's got to do the nasty jobs. All the truck numbers here, so the truckers know what door to go to. Like the dispatcher tells them, you know, stall 54. They go to stall 54. Hopefully not 50. I don't know what the green lights mean. The green lights mean that it's empty. It's ready to stop, ready for a trailer. I guess we just don't here. Here's one of these things I wanted to talk to you about. This is a fleet plow. And I don't know if you can see it because of the sun, but what you do is that the trucks drive through with their trailers before leaving to hit the road in New York, because in New York State it's against the law for tractor trailers to have snow build up on them, and unless you're from out of state. But the trucks, before they leave, they go through this, and the top of that scrapes the snow off the top of the trailers. Pretty cool, huh? And the truckers just drive slowly through, maybe 3-4 miles an hour, and it just scrapes the snow right off. Personally, I think people would do a better job. They should have people scraping the snow. Let me show you. But as you can see, I mean, that's really long. I mean, damn. So if you're dying for some exercise before the tractor trailers start coming in regularly around the clock, try running around this building 4 or 5 times. Let me tell you, or walking around it. That'll give you quite a workout. Just don't go touching anything. And they got the flagpoles. I don't know what flags, maybe the American flag, hopefully the MIA POW flag, the President Trump flag. No, I'm being serious. They should put up the Trump flag. As you can see. That's all. they're landscaping it now. They're putting in all the trees. They should put in a lot of evergreens. Pretty cool though. Pretty massive. Quite a sidewalk. Really doing a good job on this. Got all the trees in. Receiving, shipping. And it leads right out to Veterans Memorial Parkway. I guess this is the way the tractor trailers are going to go too, unless over time they decide to build another road, which I wouldn't doubt. It's going to depend on truck traffic. Between Family Dollar and Orgill,